Hello, dears. Welcome back to your English class. Today we will study block 14, the trees that grandma did not plant. The trees grandma didn't plant. So, in this block, we will read a story, and after that, we will find out the main idea of the story. The main idea means the most important point of the story. So, for this, dear children, let's open your textbook, page number 32. Let's read the story now.
The Trees Grandma Did Not Plant by Kavita Mantana. Every summer, Reena and Rohit went to Grandma's house in the village. She lived on a farm close to the forest. The forest was full of flowering, fruit laden trees. How did you plant so many trees, Grandma? Reena asked one day as she picked the red gulmohar flowers that had fallen on the ground. I did not plant them, dear, Grandma said. Rohit was surprised. Then who did? He asked. He had boasted to everybody in school that his grandma had planted a whole forest. Maybe the monkeys planted a few of them, and the birds, and the deer. Why? Maybe even the wind planted some, Grandma said. Reena and Rohit were surprised. They turned to look at Grandma's face to check if she was joking. She wasn't. She looked very serious. How did the monkeys learn about gardening? Asked Rohit. That made Grandma laugh. This is how trees grow. Some trees, like mangoes, have their seeds hidden inside their fruit. Monkeys climb up mango trees, pick the mangoes, and eat them. When they finish eating the fruit, they just drop the seeds to the ground. Later, maybe even years later, those seeds sprout and grow into trees. Oh, so the monkeys don't know they are being gardeners? Said Rohit. Do deer eat mangoes too? Asked Reena. Grandma looked doubtful. Maybe not. But some trees have seeds that have sharp hooks. So when deer or other animals walk in the grass, these seeds get attached to their fur. As the animals move around the forest, the seeds fall off and start growing there. Okay, but what about the wind? Surely it cannot eat fruit, asked Rohit, frowning. Reena jumped up, squealing, I know. She quickly bent down and picked a dandelion flower. Then she blew hard on it till the feathery seeds of the flower blew away. Grandma smiled. There, you just saw how the wind can carry some seeds far away. Rohit looked dreamily into the forest and said, I wonder if elephants are gardeners too. What do you think? So, when you look at the title of the story, what do you think the story might be about? Okay, let's read the story together to know more about it and find the main idea of the story. So, students, according to you, who do you think planted the trees if it was not grandma? Yes, the story is about Reena and Rohit who thought that their grandma had planted the whole forest. That grandma told them that she did not plant the trees. So, when grandmother told them this, she did not plant them, Rohit and Reena became very curious. They wanted to know who planted them. Okay, Grandma explained to them how the monkeys, the deer, and the wind planted the trees. Grandma told that the monkeys eat the mangoes, and after they finish eating the mangoes, they just drop the seeds to the ground. And later, after years, the seeds sprout and grow into trees. She also mentioned that some trees have seeds that have sharp hooks. So, when deer or other animals walk in the grass, the seeds get attached to their fur, and as the animals move around in the forest, these seeds fall off and they start growing from there. And the last thing is the wind. The wind carries the feathery seeds or the flower to far away places, and it falls to the ground and starts growing from there. So, dears, from the story, we have learned that it was not grandma, that was the animals, the monkeys, the deer, and the wind who planted the trees. See, here in this page, you can see some words, some new words like doubtful. Doubtful means not sure. I am doubtful that we will finish the lesson today. We are having some doubts, right? Then pick. Pick means remove something by pulling it away from where it's growing. We must not pick flowers. Then sprout, the shoot of a plant. The flower pods are full of green sprouts. Then squealing and wonder. So these are the 5 words that we can learn as a new words from this chapter. So dears, you can learn its spelling and write it 3 or 4 times in your notebook. Okay. So, here the writer gives 3 examples to explain how plants grow. First one is monkey, then deer, and third example is wind. So, now can you tell me what is the main idea of the story? So, the main idea could be there are many ways in which trees grow. So, trees growing in many ways. Okay, now tell me, can you guess the main idea of the story by reading the title? Yes. So the titles makes us wonder that who planted trees. The answer to this question is about the main idea. Who planted the trees? And the trees are growing in many ways. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.
Now, to know more about the main idea, first we should see the title of the story. So, what is the title of the story? It is The Trees That Grandma Did Not Plant. And after this, we will see what the author is talking about in the story. The events happening in the story that will tell us, it will help us to know more about the main idea. So, what are the events? Let's see the important events, the main events that are happening in the story. So, the first event is how monkeys plant trees. How monkeys plant trees. And the second event is how a deer plants trees. And the third event is how the wind helps in planting trees. So, after reading all these, we can say that the main idea of the story can be that there are many ways in which tree grow. There are different ways the tree grow. So I hope you have understood the main idea, how to identify the main idea of the story. So now let's move on to our practice questions from page number 13, S1. Who planted the trees? So the question number 1, answer the questions. A. Who is the story The Trees Grandma Did Not planned about. Who's the story about? Yes, of course, it is about trees. The story is about trees. Try to write in full sentence. And B, where is the story happening? Where is the story happening? Where is the setting of the story? It is near a forest. And question number 2, write the main idea of the story in one sentence and give examples from the story that tell us more about the main idea. So here in the first column, in the first box, you have to write the main idea of the story. So what is the main idea of the story? Yes, after reading, after looking all these events, we can say that the main idea is there are many ways to grow trees. This is the main idea. Am I right? Yes. And after that, you can see 3 boxes. So in that boxes, you can write about the main events. So the first one, how monkey plant trees. How monkey plant trees? Yes, first of all, the monkeys eat mangoes, and after that, they drops the seeds on the ground. And later, that seeds grow into trees, right? Yes, monkeys eat mangoes, and after that, they drop that seeds on the ground, and later that seed sprout and it grow into trees, right? This way, that seed, that monkey help us to plant the trees. And what about the second event? It is deer. How a deer plants trees? How a deer plants trees? Yes, the seeds that stick to the fur of the deer and that fall off on the ground and it grow into trees. And the last one, it's about the wind. The wind blows seeds to the places, to different places where they plant trees. Those seeds, they grow into trees. Yes? Right. So this how you can write the 3 main events. So now let's move on to our practice questions from page number 39. It is about question number 1. Answer the questions from the story. A. Where do Rohit and Reena go every summer? Where do Rohit and Reena go? Where do they go? Yes, they go to their grandma's house every summer. And B, where does grandma live? Where does grandma live? Yes, she lives near a forest. And C, why was Rohit surprised? Yes, Rohit was surprised, no? What is the reason behind that? Why he was surprised? He was surprised to know about the grandma. His grandma did not plant the trees. And D, what does grandma explain about who planted the trees? Yes, grandma explained that it could be the monkeys, deer, wind, or the birds that planted the trees. And E, how do monkeys plant trees? Yes, how do monkeys plants? How do monkeys plant the trees? Yes, after eating, they drop the seeds on the ground, and after that, it sprout and it grows into the seed. And how do deer plant trees? Yes, that seeds that stick to the fur and that fall on the ground as they move around, right? Then later it sprout, it grow into the ground. Then G, how does the wind help to plant trees? Yes, the wind blows the seeds to the different places where they grow into plants. So this how you can write these practice question 1. So I hope the story is clear to you. So dears, you have to read at least 1 or 2 times a day and record your reading and send it to me. Okay, so I hope this part is clear to you, the story is clear to you. So be ready for the next class. Thank you.